Hello, and today we'll be talking about the fundamental theorem of algebra. This is from your homework, page 383 to 384, number 1, 3 through 9, all, 10, 11, 13, and 19. I'm going to start by going over problem number 1. Problem number 1 says, identify the number of solutions or zeros. Well, the fundamental theorem of algebra says that if I have a power that's greater than 0, so a positive power for a polynomial, then the number of zeros is equal to that power. Now, there might be some repeated zeros, but the total number would be equal to that power. So if we can identify our highest degree for our polynomial, we should be able to identify the total number of solutions or zeros. So if I take a look at this polynomial is already in standard form. It goes 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and my degree is 4. That means that I have a total number of 4 solutions according to the fundamental theorem of algebra. Not so bad. Okay, let's take a look at number 10. Number 10 says, give the zeros and factors of the polynomial function. So the way we did this in class is we used decimals. We're going to take this. We know by the degree that there should be 4 solutions, even if we have some repeated ones. So there's a minimum or a maximum of 4. So I'm going to go over to decimals, and I had already plugged this in. And I take a look here, I plugged it in, and then it gives me the 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So I have negative 1, 1, 2, and 4. Negative 1, 1, 2, and 4. So those are my zeros. So I'm going to write that down. And then it says write the factors. Well, the factors we create, if you think about what will we set equal to 0 to get negative 1, remember when we factor things, it's kind of opposite that. So we have x plus 1, because if I were to set x plus 1 equal to 0, then I would get negative 1. So my next factor then is x minus 1, then x minus 2, and x plus 4. Oops, sorry, minus 4, whoops. So we'll do minus 2, and then x minus 4. Because of the fact that we set our factors equal to 0 to find our zeros, we need them to be opposite when we plug them into the factors. If you have any questions with today's homework, please see me and Mr. Daniels, and enjoy.